Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. We're excited to bring you this very special home in Sandy Hill. I'm with my buddy Jackson, and he's actually going to give us a hand showing you this amazing property.
Thanks, Ben. I'll take it from here. You guys, you gotta come see the best part of the whole house, the backyard. Check this out. I play fetch for hours in my massive backyard, and when it gets too hot, well, check this out. Alright, let's be clear, this is my spot. The central AC hits just right, and I'm steps away from the newly renovated kitchen my parents just had finished. Alright guys, come on, let's go check out downstairs. Grandma and Grandpa live down here and it is perfect for them. This neighborhood is the best. Everyone you meet is your best friend. And when I take my parents on walks, we're super close to some of the best schools in Abbotsford.
Jackson, you're an absolute superstar. Thank you so much for showing us all the reasons why you love this property. But hey, if you're just curious to have a look at this property with a private tour, we'd love to connect with you, info@hardyteam.ca. Or if you're just curious to know about your property value in today's market, again, reach out to us, info@hardyteam.ca. We'd love to connect with you.